Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 15T. In this video I'll show you how to remove screen lock if you forgot the password. In case you forgot the passcode or password for your screen lock, you can still unlock the smartphone by performing hard reset via recovery mode. Remember that this procedure will erase all data from your smartphone. Then you will have to set it up from the beginning, so make sure that you've got a backup set. You can backup your smartphone to your Xiaomi or Google account. Now let's start. To enter recovery mode, we have to restart the smartphone. Enter power menu, select power off, and now we are going to start it over, but by pressing power button and volume up button. Release the buttons when you see Android logo. Maybe I did it a little bit too fast. Let me try again. As you can see, right now we are in smartphone's recovery mode. Now, navigating via volume up, volume down button, select wipe data and confirm. Now we have to wait until process is done. Go back to main menu and reboot. Reboot the system, and it's done. Now your smartphone has been erased to factory defaults. Also, screen lock has been deleted. Now you have to only set up your smartphone from the beginning, then log into your Google and Xiaomi account to download your backup. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.